Once upon a time in a small, picturesque village, there lived a young woman named Alina. She was known far and wide for her unwavering kindness and her willingness to help others. Alina had a heart of gold, and her acts of compassion made her a beloved figure in the community. From a young age, Alina had always been drawn to nature. She would spend her free time tending to the village garden, which had been neglected for years. With her loving care and dedication, the garden began to flourish, its beauty captivating the entire village. Alina's reputation for her selfless deeds and her ability to nurture the world around her continued to grow. She would assist the elderly with their daily chores, teach the children of the village about the wonders of the natural world, and provide solace to those in need. Her actions were not driven by a desire for recognition, but by a genuine love for her fellow villagers. One day, a wise elder of the village approached Alina. He told her about a rare, mythical flower known as the heart's bloom that was said to bring immense respect to those who possessed it. The flower was believed to bloom only in the most selfless and kind-hearted individuals' gardens. Determined to obtain the heart's bloom, Alina embarked on a journey into the deep, enchanted forest at the outskirts of the village. Her quest was filled with challenges, but she faced them with courage and kindness. Along the way, she helped injured animals, showed compassion to lost souls, and mended broken friendships. After many trials, Alina finally reached the heart of the enchanted forest, where the heart's bloom was said to reside. She discovered the most beautiful flower she had ever seen, radiating a warm and gentle light. She gently plucked it and returned to her village. Word of Alina's extraordinary journey and the heart's bloom spread quickly throughout the village. It became evident to everyone that Alina's actions were not driven by the desire for recognition but were genuine expressions of her kindness and selflessness. As a result, the entire village, and even those from neighboring towns, started to hold Alina in the highest regard. The heart's bloom served not as a symbol of respect, but as a reminder of the extraordinary qualities that Alina embodied. Her legacy of kindness and compassion was celebrated, and her village became a place where everyone respected and cherished the values she had demonstrated throughout her life. Alina's story serves as a timeless reminder that true respect is earned through selfless acts of kindness, rather than through seeking recognition. In the end, her name, Alina, became synonymous with compassion, and her legacy lived on for generations to come. As Alina's reputation continued to spread, her village prospered in remarkable ways. The spirit of unity and kindness that she had instilled in the community had a ripple effect. People from neighboring villages and towns came to witness the beauty and serenity that surrounded Alina's home. Visitors sought Alina's guidance, not only for her wisdom but for her ability to bring people together. She held gatherings where villagers of all backgrounds, with different beliefs and customs, could come together to celebrate their shared humanity. These gatherings became known as Alina's Gatherings of Unity, and they grew to be a symbol of hope and harmony in the region. Recognizing her remarkable contributions, the village council appointed Alina as an honorary advisor, and her opinions were highly valued in making important decisions. She worked with the council to implement sustainable practices that protected the environment and improved the living conditions of the villagers. Alina's influence extended beyond the village. Her story was shared far and wide through tales, songs, and legends. People from distant lands heard of the young woman who possessed the heart's bloom and embodied true kindness. Many sought to follow her example, and the concept of the Alina Code emerged, a set of principles that emphasized compassion, selflessness, and unity. As time passed, Alina aged gracefully, continuing to inspire younger generations with her wisdom and love for nature. She mentored countless young gardeners, teaching them the secrets of nurturing the earth and its bounties. The village thrived, and the once neglected garden became a lush sanctuary that attracted tourists from around the world. Alina's name became synonymous with respect and admiration, not only in her village but throughout the entire region. She was known as the living embodiment of the heart's bloom, a beacon of hope in a world where kindness and compassion were the most valued treasures. Alina's life was a testament to the idea that true respect and admiration are earned through selfless actions and the ability to bring people together in a spirit of unity. Her legacy continues to inspire people to this day, serving as a reminder of the profound impact one person's kindness can have on an entire community and the world.